llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, 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 llama.
Hey llamas, it's Elsie here, and today I'm going to be making a mini DIY PT loop. For those of you who don't know what PT stands for, it stands for physical therapy. And this will be a LPS series, and it's for a contest, so I hope I win. Please wish me good luck. You're going to need a huge box for this room because PT rooms are usually big or huge. A swing, since that it will be a kid's physical therapy room. A scooter, a stool, a skateboard, a fake looking tree, books, and a cone for obstacles. For an obstacle course. A mini bike. A doghouse that I'm using as a slide for the ball pit. Any bowl to make a ball pit. Paint for the floor for a DIY mini floor. And Pom Poms as ball pit boards. A big blue board for an exercise board. A metal bracelet for a hula hoop. A DIY mini puzzle in a box. Glue stick, scissors, and a hot glue gun, which actually isn't that hot. You might want to have extra glue sticks for the hot glue gun. A DIY pole to jump on. Now I'm going to plug in the hot glue gun. And I'm going to wait about 5 minutes for it to go on. For the glue to come on. In the meantime, first we're going to cut out the box squares that opens the box. Next, we're going to put yellow stripes with white stripe wallpaper for the background. And in order to make it stick right, I'm using the Staples clear glue stick. Now, since the wallpaper is done, I'm going to paint the floor. Oh, sun breeze. Next, we're going to cut out the top. I cutted the top out, so we're going to paint this part after we do some hot glue in. So now I'm going to take this hot glue gun and I'm going to paste it onto the bowl. And so now I'm going to stick it on in the corner. And so we're going to use the hot glue gun again to make a slide to go into the ball pit. Next, we're going to put the slide here. And so now we're going to pour these Pom Pom boards into the ball pit. So now we're going to add a swing over here so that I can pretend that the LPS can land in the ball pit.
And so next I'm going to add a climbing tree. That way it would be good to, I seen those before, climbing things in a PT room. You can also add a bike because some PTs, they do bikes. And you can add a scooter, you can add a stool, you can add a skateboard. Some might do skateboards, and this is really common, a exercise board. And so I'm going to put the bike in the middle, the skateboard in the middle, and move this tree over to there. I'm going to put the scooter there as well, next to the tree, the stool, and the
boy.
And so now I'm going to glue this. This will be used as a balance beam this way. And so now we're going to glue this mini thing that I'm using as a balance beam with a hot glue gun. And so I glued it to kind of the middle, but more closely to the left corner. And so now that this is like that, I'm actually going to cut off a little bit of the edges to make it look more like a balance beam. How I cut it to make it look like a balance beam, I use pruning seals. And so I am officially done llamas. Bye.